You remember the Challenger disaster? It was the O-ring that exploded, couldn't hold the gases together and escaped and burned down for NASA. If you put this around it, you'd have held the rocket all the way to the moon and back. They wouldn't even have to eject the turbo.
This would have held, right? Producer wouldn't have been born. Love you, producer.
This can hold a bad marriage together in a wrong way. I don't know who said life's a bitch and then you die. But lying down on a beautiful beach, sipping cold beers is my way of dealing with this pandemic. Susagat style. I even managed to convince Shanky the Happy Forker to join me here in Goa.
Season 2 in Goa meant fish, meats, and a whole lot of booze. With the both of us there, I'm sure we're gonna revive the economy one plate at a time. Here's to the best goddamn food guide to Goa.
तुम लोग क्या चूतियापा करवा रहे हो हमारे से?
I think producer forgot this is a food show, not us walking show. And he decided we should walk from here till the restaurant.
Does he realize it's 100 meters from here?
We're at 300 kilos together and he wants us to...
And right in the middle of the traffic. Alright, let's not get run over. Producer, I'm gonna shoot you for doing this.
But you know what? Just walk in the middle of the road. In India, they stop for cows.
I look like one. No?
Exactly. Acha, oi, Bail. Where is the mask?
Okay, my mask is in the car. Make sure you wear a mask. Thank you for putting the horn on because you had an entire road open. You. So please wear a mask when you're in public.
ज्ञान दे रहा है, पहन रहा नहीं है पर.
अरे पहन रहा है. It's right now. There's nobody going to be next to us because we're shooting this. But at some point, I'm going to put my mask on. Do the right thing. Be a man or a woman.
Intro number 25 for the same place.
Yeah. 35,000 times. So we had Starlight
Seafood
Fish-
place.
Seafood place, right? It's on every single list. When you just put in top seafood places or fish thalis, they always say to come to Starlight.
We are in the Arpora Anjuna branch. The other one is in Asolna. So the Arpora one also because this is the most commercial part of Goa. Kalangut is right here, Anjuna is right there. Everything is right around here. And now today we're going to find out whether there's actually a good reason for those footfalls or...
It's just a big tourist trap.
Exactly. Is it location or is it food? Menu dena sir please.
क्या नाम है आपका? रवि.
Oh, आप ही हो रवि.
आप ही को फोन कर रहा था. Thank you.
He's been around for a while ना. आपको यहाँ कितना साल हो गया?
25 years. And यही ओरिजिनल है ना. कोई पहले बोल रहा था ये कासोलना में यही ओरिजिनल है. एक ही है. हाँ तो ये लोग उसमें कॉपी करके बेवकूफ बना रहे हैं वो चूतिया काट रहे हैं. ठीक है. Now सबने बोला फिश थाली सबसे फेमस है. वही करने का.
Fish thali is kingfish, chonak, pomfret, prawns.
बांगड़ा है?
बांगड़ा थाली है सर.
बांगड़ा थाली मेरे को.
ये तू बांगड़ा खाना शुरू कर दिया.
बांगड़ा में ज़्यादा फील आ रहा है.
हाँ अच्छा. और अगर आप खाते हो क्या कौन सा खाते हो?
हम जो नॉर्मल
वाला.
नॉर्मल में उसमें 1 पोर्शन राइस और कड़ी, एक भाजी, एक सलाद रहेगा.
ऐसा करते हैं ना 2-3 चीज करने के लिए. तुम्हारा बड़ा थाली,
बांगड़ा थाली.
मेरे थाली में जो आप जो खाते हो और एक प्रॉन कर दो.
स्पाइसी.
हाँ सब स्पाइसी चलेगा.
मसाला.
लोकल जो खाने का यहाँ लोकल जो खाते हैं.
सोल कड़ी. प्रॉन मसाला कैंसिल करो. प्रॉन सूखा कर दो.
और एक नॉर्मल एक बांगड़ा का कलमारी बटर गार्लिक मसाला फ्राई.
चलो मसाला फ्राई कर दो. ठीक है बस काफी.
मैं प्रॉन फ्राई कर देगा.
ओके थैंक यू.
I have never seen soul curry look like this.
No?
Super salt. Super salty. Oh. It should probably go in the rice, it will become a curry by itself.
छोटा वाला झींगा. छोटा वाला लाना है.
बड़ा अच्छा है.
बड़ा ज्यादा अच्छा है. सब वो मैडम ही वही बोलती है.
Did you just say that's what she said as madam भी वही बोलती है. You've been in India too long, my friend.
Prawns are actually pretty, they're cooked really well. I don't like very large prawns in the rava style. I like them slightly medium-y. I've learned over time that they're a little better for rava, but I mean, look, for a selling point, they charge a premium for it, which is okay. People complain in India, they don't understand. They're not worried about the taste, right? They're worried about how much value I get. Okay, let me rephrase that. I sounded like a for a second.
And now he realized.
Every now and then, I have a moment of realization that I'm an Other than that, I am just fine in my skin. I take up a lot of space there. A lot of discerning customers would prefer slightly smaller sizes because it's not the motion in the it's the motion in the ocean, not the size of the boat. I don't know. I'm this up the entire time. The prawn is okay. Great. All right, calamari. These are really big. You too. All right, let's try this. Oh, that's way too tough. It's been overcooked. This,
That fish, that looks also like a condom.
yeah,
Tastes also like a condom. Like a condom dipped in reshad masala.
yeah. You remember the Challenger disaster? It was the O-ring that exploded, couldn't hold the gases together and escaped and burned down for NASA. If you put this around it, you'd have held the rocket all the way to the moon and back. They wouldn't even have to eject the turbo.
This would have held right. Producer wouldn't have been born. Love you, producer.
This can hold a bad marriage together in a wrong way. Starlight is super popular amongst the tourist crowd, right?
This is your Zomato crowd who are looking
Yeah.
at what is the best thali.
I don't think you're gonna find a lot of. I don't think you're gonna find a lot of Goans coming here.
Not too many locals.
But it's
here
more for
sure.
tourists. you
This
know?
is. I mean, look
Yeah.
at the location.
So I'm sorry, this didn't work for me at all. It's overcooked and then masala is opaque. The prawn is okay, right?
Prawn's not bad.
Yeah.
Cooked really well.
Yeah.
Okay, now we'll wait for main course.
Okay.
थाली एक बांगडा थाली
This is the one vegetarian thing.
You started with that.
Mama said, have some vegetable.
Mama said, no, I like this.
I had vegetable done for the day.
So this is your mulika bhaji. The bhajis are good and you know they put dal in it usually. I like it. But let me try this. I've had better. I've definitely had better. But
It's bitter, man.
Huh?
It's bitter.
They haven't taken the water out of the muli properly. What are you doing next? Prawn suka. Okay, I'll follow you.
We are on the same page so far. Squid, let's see.
You know what? I'm going to try this the way you were doing it yesterday. I'm going to add a little bit of this soul
that's
curry
what I
there.
did. That soul curry makes most things better. It can be used, like I said, it'll be a perfect gravy. Okay, squid, they f***ed up in every form.
What kind of squid is this? So all I see is lots of capsicum and the Chinese squid one.
No, they f***ed up. I don't know whatever the form that is. Okay, I'm sorry. Fish thali so far has been a disaster for me.
Guys, Amotik is the one that usually comes with shark. I don't know what they've put in this. They use mori, which is shark. It looks like they've used crab or...
No, mori only.
This is mori?
But flavor-wise, it is no mori.
So Ambotik is a very, very pickly, sour dish. And they're using kokum. You see that? That's kokum. That's the souring agent they've used. This is not the Ambotik I've had before.
So far for me, the best thing has been thumbs up. I think that is the only thing that I can talk about. I'm hoping the rava fry, you can't go wrong with rava fry.
Yeah. Right, I'm gonna go in with my hands on the crab. Yeah, seriously. This Starlight's well past its prime. It's gonna turn into a supernova and it's a black hole of flavor. It sucked everything right back in. This is Neil deGrasse. No, this is Carl Sagan coming back from the past to tell you that the future is dim, dark, because it sucked all the light out. Shanky's making his own dishes over there.
It's the only way I think that I can save myself today.
Okay, this is the fish curry. This is the fish curry with the velio.
No,
haldi.
That's all.
That's it. I'm not understanding any of this. The last thing I'm gonna give it a try.
Sol curry and rice is not bad.
Maida and paratha. Okay, I can't eat this.
Good.
Hey, can't complain about the surmai. That's actually pretty good. Very thinly cut.
But it's still a little fishy.
Yeah,
Like
kingfish
it's
has a little
slightly
bit,
older
yeah.
fish. Well, let's just say this is not sourced at 4 in the morning and brought. That kind of effort is definitely not gone into this place.
We were told by some friends, and at least the reviews were saying, the fried fish is the star. The fried fish is the moon, and everything else are just asteroids destroying everything around. I'm not going to come back here, for sure. But I don't want to take away from the place. A lot of people like it. Maybe this is the version of the food that they like. We've been lucky enough to try a lot of different versions. We know a lot better, so, you know, we have different views.
Watch our other episodes, you'll know a lot better. On that note, why don't you try and hit that like and subscribe thing? It'll help you
Find a better place.
find a better place. We'll probably be better guides for you across Goa at least, and some parts of Bombay.
I mean, they call themselves Starlight. They're shooting for the stars and landing in Anjuna, right? This bullet was shot from Arpura, landed in Anjuna. Didn't even make it past the ozone. Maybe they destroyed the ozone with the amount of oil they use and cook the food. I have no idea. What else do you want me to say? Don't call yourself Starlight. Just call yourself Stardust. Maybe a better name.
I think on that note, cut. We kept complaining about why people come to this place, fish thali, right? See what the masses did. There is 7 people that came out of that car. I'll request DOP to walk across to the end of this place. Just go see the table, see what got ordered.
What do they order? Just only fish.
There's only biryani. There is 6 plates of biryani in a fish thali place. And chicken biryani. So what I mean?